another shot drop. The what the dunks, man. And we seen this with the what the clouts, and these are slept on. No, you can't forget my guy, the what the Kobe's. Well, not really these. But the what the P-Rods probably did it the best. So again, not the first time, but it doesn't matter if it's the 1st or the 15th. If it's done right, it's fine. Yes, sir, man. So when I first saw pictures of this sneaker, I was like, oh, they putting all the best dunks together. Not the SBs, the dunks. See how you got the Michigan look, then you got Kentucky, Syracuse. And then when I started naming all those colleges, I said, oh, nah, that's that Jordan true to your school or true to your colors scheme they doing. And they did it right, man. They did it right. And the material's good, man. So, you know, we don't do too much long talking at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. I'm a little bit mad at this box, guys. This box here, the dark orange or light red, is reserved for just like a dunk, like a Panda or Kentucky or Michigan, but when you got them all together, they could have gave us, come on, y'all know the SB box, the Lifesaver, they could have did that for us, man. I'm a little upset at that, man. I'm not gonna lie. Not only is it what the dunk, it's C0.JP, it's Nike Dunk Low JP, QS, Midnight Navy, Varsity Maze. I guess that's the two colors that's like overall, but I don't know how you only get 2 colors in this. You flip open the lid, again, regular dunk paper, regular dunk box. Let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the what the dunk, C0.JP. Yeah, I like it, man. So I think they went with that Varsity Maze look because that's what the toe box is. Straight Michigan. Got your yellow in here, even though it might could double as Oregon or whatever. But you got your yellow in here, Brazil look, nice leather, fine leather, guys. Around there, you got that Midnight Navy. I really like it, man. That's Michigan Wolverines at its finest. You see how shiny that leather is, man? Good material. As you creep up, there go your Kentucky look, blue with the white. White in the background, blue and blue as you creep up. I guess that's St. John's, guys. I'm not a big college guy, but I believe that's St. John's. You know, let me know in the comment section below. Help me out. But I believe that's St. John's up there. Come around. They got my favorite logo, Nike. So they kept the red and white look here. I think it's St. John's. But they kept the red and white in the back. And they kept it blue and yellow in the front. So they didn't really... It looks crazy like a lot of colors, but the teams are all kind of connected. Going the inside, it's the same as the out. So Kentucky is represented on both sides on the right side. It does come with blue shoelaces, but it's laced in white. Blue, laced in white. The tongue is predominantly white until you get to the yellow right here a little bit, starting the toe box. And we cannot talk about this mesh tongue without talking about that Nike logo there. The true to your team, true to your colors. I forgot what was the logo. I mean, the motto. It was 2017 Jordan. But you got the N in blue, the I in white, the K in yellow, the E in red, white swoosh, regular dunk, mesh, tongue, all white. The inside got the Japan, the C0.JP logo in there. White sock liner, which is hateable, but mesh material, good material feels like, guys. That was the right, this is the left. You get the same logo on the inside. Same blue. So each one has one lace laced in there. Same tongue with the colors. I like it. But the tongue on the left side starts off yellow from the gate. So it's more yellow in this than just white. It starts off yellow from the gate. As you can see the shoelace lock holder right there. And then let's go to this tongue. So this tongue you got white and red giving you that Chicago look. I like it, man. It looks like a Jordan 1 there, man. I like that. Nice soft leather again. And they decided to put the Wolverines or the Michigan in the inside. And then you got Syracuse all in the back. Shout out to Mello, man. I like this orange. The orange does not match, but it is representing all the colleges. And I like it. But look at the leather, guys. Look at this leather, guys. Great material, man. Even the white leather here. Look at the material, man. Again, white sock liner, ankle support, whatever. But I like this. Both sides have a blue bottom, midnight blue bottom. That's probably why the box says this name. There's a lot of midnight blue in it. But it's definitely a difference in the back, guys. Definitely a difference in the back. The colors kind of shift a little from right to left. So again, man, they shock dropped the other day on the sneakers app. I seen it like 20 minutes prior. You know if it's a dunk, I'm going to go for it. Even though I'm more of an SB head, the dunks that I like. Jackie Robs, not Crimson. What's the orange joints I just did? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Plums, those kind of things I mess with. But I like these, man. A lot of people were clowning these when they first came out. Clown shoes, things like that. But the people who went to college, man, they really like stuff like this. Shout out for Jordan for representing all the colleges, especially the HBCUs, man. Listen, materials A1. I paid $135, I think, shipped to me from the sneakers app. Very well worth it. You look on StockX or Go, prices are around the same amount. Because they didn't drop yet, I think people feel like they can get them or they feel like they're going to be available like the Pandas. The Pandas are just everywhere. I don't believe that's the case. I'm going to double back, check the stock numbers, come back to y'all on a later video. But I don't think that's going to be the case for these. Because when dunks first started coming back out, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, when the Kentuckys came back out, the Syracuse, they were sold out and they were done. I think this is the situation here, man. But I could be wrong because the way Jordans are dropping, who knows, man. But yeah, man, quick video, early review. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.